Hello everyone. So there are lots of equalizers are available on Play Store. Even some devices have inbuilt sound equalizers, but they don't deliver a powerful bass to our earphone. So in this video, I gonna tell about 5 best sound equalizers for your smartphone, which can give a powerful boosted low frequency sound. So let's get started. Number 1. Poweramp Equalizer. This is one of the best sound equalizer I have found on the Play Store, and I also use this equalizer to listening songs on YouTube Music. But you need to buy license after using it for 30 days. The UI of this equalizer is so good. You can enable visualizer with amazing presets. Here you can get 10 bands with preamp controller by default, and you can change the number of bands up to 32 bands in the setting. And here you can boost the low end and high end frequencies by adjusting these two knobs. It sounds so great. You can also apply compression to your audio in this compressor setting. The most amazing feature is you can change the equalizer mode. Just go to settings, then equalizer, change the mode here. In this parametric mode, you can add or adjust any frequency from 20 to 20 kHz as you need. But the major disadvantage is that it only works with few music players. Number 2. Glyco X. Let's open it up. Here you can get 10 bands with in-gain and out-gain knobs as well. Here you can apply compression and adjust its frequencies individually. You also get a limiter to limit your audio. The overall UI is so great, easy to use, and it will work with most of the music player apps. Number 3. Flat Equalizer. In this equalizer, you will get 10 bands along with bass boost, loudness, and an amazing virtualizer controller. You can also add reverb. Just tap on settings, then tick reverb effect. The equalizer gives you a great audio experience. It will work with most of the music players. Number 4. Equalizer and Bass Booster. The UI of the equalizer is so simple. It comes with 10 bands with a bass boost and a virtualizer knob. You also get edge lighting feature here. The sound quality is decent and it will support most of the music players. Number 5. XEQ. Its UI is very simple and easy to use. The compressor is available only in the Pro version. The sound output is good and it will work with most of the players. So in the last, you can install and try all of them. But I personally like the Poweramp Equalizer as it has powerful output. So if you like this video, then please comment below your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.